Chapter: The Secret to Perfect French Fries Revealed. All right, let's make the crispiest, most irresistible French fries right at home. Trust me, you'll never look at frozen fries the same way again. First, pick up some russet potatoes. Give them a good scrub. Peel if you like. I love the rustic skin-on vibe. Slice into even sticks, about a 1/4 inch thick so they cook evenly. Here's the secret. Soak the potato sticks in cold water for at least 30 minutes. Watch the water turn cloudy as starch leaves the potatoes. Don't skip this step. Drain in a colander and pat bone dry with a towel. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Heat a pot of oil, vegetable canola, to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, medium heat if eyeballing. Fry in batches until soft and pale, not golden yet. First fry, remove and let rest. Crank heat to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Second fry. Cook until gorgeous golden. Listen for that crispy sizzle. Drain on paper towels. Toss with salt while hot. Boom! Fries that could rival your favorite diner. Serve with ketchup, mayo, your dip of choice. Homemade fries step by step. Easy, satisfying, totally delicious. Go on, treat yourself.